Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a pop-up rainbow card. You don't see a rainbow? There it is. And we're going to be making it out of just 2 pieces of paper. Come with me and I'll show you how I made it. So friends, you are going to need a few additional supplies: crayons, markers, colored pencils, or whatever you'd like to color your card with, even paint, and a glue stick. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our cardstock and we're going to fold it, line up those edges, and fold it in half. And now you can decorate your card on the outside and on the inside. Just leave about an inch or so without any decoration, because that is where we are going to glue our rainbow. All right, so I've decorated the outside and I've written on the inside. If you want to just do pictures, that's fine. You can even decorate the back if you'd like. But now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to start my rainbow. The first thing I'm going to do is color my rainbow. I'm going to color one line of red about 1/6 of the way down the paper, because I'm going to need to put 6 colors on this paper. And I'm coloring it long ways, as you can see, lengthwise. And the next color in the rainbow is orange. And then I'm even going to color the other side as well. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to kind of follow what I did here. So I'm going to start with purple, and then I'm going to do blue and green, then yellow, orange, and red. All right, and here's what's going to make my card pop. I am going to fold this on the short edge like an accordion. So that is just going to be probably about 3/4 of an inch. Fold it one way and then flip, keeping it fairly even, fold it the other way. So we're going to fold, accordion fold this rainbow. All right, so you're gonna have something that looks like that. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and put glue on one side. So whichever end, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and put glue on the end. All right, and I want red to be on the outside. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm going to put my rainbow where I glued down on my card, pretty close to the fold where it's gonna fold. Okay, and now I'm gonna put some glue right here. And I'm going to fold my card over and make sure that it stays glued like that. So when you open up your card, there is your rainbow. Nice job. All right. And like I said, you could decorate the back if you want as well. And as always, friends, remember to clean up. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. I hope you enjoyed making your pop-up rainbow card. And please check our calendar for more upcoming DIY and other events here at the library. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.